Hello students, this is Shovik, your instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, in my last videos, we have learned Python modules, some built-in modules, and then user-defined modules, how to import those modules into our program. And we have talked about some built-in modules like math and some functions from that math module like power, square root, floor. We have used those functions in our program. Now up to this point, I hope you are not having any problem regarding the topics we have already discussed, we have finished. So if you have any problem, you can just comment it down in the comment section below. So in this video we will talk about recursion or recursive function. Okay, now what is recursion? In the first place, we need to know what is recursion. Recursion is one of the most powerful tools in a programming language. It is a very powerful tool. In such some cases, uh, we really need to use recursive functions or the concept of recursion in order to avoid the heavy execution time of a program. So we just use recursion instead of using some modules. Okay, now recursion is a function calling itself again and again. Recursion is a function which calls itself again and again. Like, let's take an example. If I have a function called demo, and if I do this calling that function from within the function, then so here we are calling that function from within its own body. Okay, now this will become a recursive function. Okay, it is calling itself again and again. Basically we actually check something. We use if statement to check whether it is that or this, and then we call the function itself from within its body. We will do that in an example. Okay, now this is a concept of recursion. It will call the function itself from within its body. Okay, and it will become a cycle. Of itself. Okay, now let me show you an example. Let's say taking one parameter, and if a equals to 0, return 1, else print this is a recursive function, and demo a minus 1. Okay, if I do a plus 1, then it will become an infinite loop. Now if I call the function demo with the value of 3, it is supposed to print this thing 3 times, right, according to my code. Let's see. Yes, it is printing this 3 times. Okay, now what we have done here, we have called the very function from within its own body. This is how a recursive function works. Now there is another example I just want to show you. If we have done the power, calculating the power of a variable using math module. Now if somehow you don't want to use that module, and you can still calculate the power of a variable using recursion. And how to do that, let's find out. Let's take two variables, x and n, and if n equals to 0, return 1, else return x into demo x n minus 1. Okay, now if I take the variable here as constant variable, print demo a3. Now a is 2. This is basically 2 to the power 3. Okay, now it will return 8. It is supposed to return 8. Let's see 8. Yes, it is working fine. So this is how you can calculate power using recursion. Okay, I hope you have all enjoyed this session. Recursion is a very interesting thing. You can do a lot more things using recursion. I hope I would really appreciate that if you try it yourself, do something new and show me. If you have any problem, if you face any problem, just you can comment it down. You can call me anytime. Okay, now this is it for the video, and yeah, okay, study hard, code hard. Take care, bye bye.